going to solve using a matrix. So this will be 1, 2, negative 1, 1, 2, 3, negative 4, negative 3, 3, 6, negative 3, 4. And this is a 3 by 4 matrix. So if you do the RREF on the calculator, it's going to get you 1, 0, negative 5, 0, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. So on the calculator, we really like to see a diagonal of 1s here, and 0 here, and 0s here. And if that's the case, then we can read the x, y, and z here. When that's not the case, so like here we have a 0 here, so that kind of throws it off. So let's retranslate this back into a system of equations to see what's going on. So it'll be x minus 5z is equal to 0, and y plus 2z is equal to 0, and then 0 is equal to 1. So this is a false statement. So because that is a false statement, this is going to be no solution.